What's up guys, it's Yami. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Oh, holy moly.
Hey, we're done. Do the shit. They gonna play who we do. What are you talking about?
My goal is to hear their stories and give my expert advice. You guys are best friends. There is nothing that we can do. Sometimes mediations can go right, but sometimes can go wrong.
Let him go.
But I'm absolutely sure you're gonna love what you see.
Yo, taser!
Oh man. Thank you guys for coming. Chaniqua, Parker. We are here because Chaniqua contacted me. You guys were boyfriend and girlfriend, but obviously you guys are not anymore boyfriend and girlfriend because she wants you to leave the house. She said you cheated on her.
No,
You didn't cheat on her?
Don't try to,
What do you mean cheating?
don't try to sugarcoat it. Don't try to downplay it for what it was. You cheated on me.
Okay, listen. Okay, I'm sorry.
There's no
Okay,
coming
what-
back from
Baby,
that.
this-
There's no coming back
Please.
from that. Don't touch
No,
me.
you have no idea. Listen, we don't even need to be here. Why
What-
are we
what-
listening to her? Why are we
Well, no,
You
because
don't listen. I don't want you anymore. I want you
What do you
gone. I
mean,
want
baby?
all of your things
We're in love.
gone.
What are you
We're in
talking
Parker,
love.
what happened? That you because it looks like you don't think you cheated, but at the end you kind of accepted. What happened? What happened?
happened? How did
What
you-
happened?
Listen,
He cheated. I don't want him
I was
anymore.
drunk.
What happened though?
I'm sorry.
You were
listen,
drunk?
it was
That is a
mistake.
very-
It was a mistake.
That's not
Don't
excuse.
listen to them, please.
No, well, the thing is, she's not.
Very
She's.
hard.
I got a
So-
new man now. I don't want you.
What do you mean?
I
She
have
don't
a
want
new
you.
man.
She don't want you.
Wants
Wants
don't
you.
want-
Wants you out of the house.
Who is this guy? Who?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who's this guy. The important thing right here is she wants you out.
Out.
She wants you out.
Goodbye. Grab
Yes.
your things.
No,
Go.
no, baby, please, you gotta
I
give
don't
her
want
a chance.
anything to
Please,
do
baby.
with you, your
I swear
family,
to-
nothing. There's
How
no
long were you guys
baby.
together
There's no
for?
love there.
How long you guys were together?
3 years.
3 years, and you cheated on her.
3 years.
Baby,
And now you-
Like I said, I was drunk.
It does.
It was
Baby,
a
how
How long
mistake.
ago? How
You
long
know I
ago was
love
this?
you.
How long ago was this?
How long?
A month. I've been asking for him to leave for a month,
And he doesn't want to.
and he doesn't want to go.
A month.
Why?
And
Why
you're gonna-
you don't want to
It's all
live?
those
There's
3
love
whole
there.
years
There's love there.
that we had
There's
to-
no love here. I don't want you.
Do you know?
I-
do you know the difference of love and attachment?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, then you're attached.
No.
I don't think she
love
loves you. No, but I don't think she
don't.
loves you
loves me.
anymore.
I love
You're
you.
attached,
I love
bro.
Jacob.
No.
Jacob now. I'm dating
The
a
thing.
person.
Well,
Not
Jay.
you.
Jacob.
Not you.
Obviously, it's not you. Obviously, it's not you.
Not you.
So I really think that you need to leave the house. You don't believe her that she has a new man?
I'll call.
I
Okay.
don't even know what to believe right
I'll
now. You kidding me?
I'll call him up right now. What is good?
Call him up. Why?
What is good?
Because she wants you to
Because
understand
there's no other way.
there is no other
For you
way.
to know that like
Yes.
out means out.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? We're really here doing this?
Yes.
really
I
We
love
re-
you.
no.
I
You're
hate
treating
you.
me like this?
I hate
But I'm so sorry.
I
And
hate
you
you.
cannot. No.
We are
3
Parker.
years.
She doesn't want you anymore. She doesn't want you anymore.
Baby, but I want you. Please stop.
Hello?
No.
Hello?
Who is that?
Jacob. Hey. I need you to come in here.
What do you mean coming here? Is he here?
Oh, I guess
Yeah,
he's here.
What do you mean?
He's here. My
he-
new man.
I guess he's here. I mean, I didn't even know that because she didn't tell me. I knew she has a new man, but I didn't know that he
Maybe
was
that's why she
here.
brought you here, bro. You just
Maybe
gotta
maybe
find
that's
out when out
maybe she
means out.
wants you to see the reality.
Or you're gonna
If she
find yourself
doesn't,
in a restraining
yeah.
order real quick. That's what's
If
gonna
she
happen.
doesn't want you,
No,
she
no,
doesn't
no,
want you
no.
anymore.
Yes,
That's not- that's not how
yes.
this is.
There's no love here. There's no love here. There's
That's
nothing
not
else
true.
we have
That's
here.
not true. I
You're-
love
you're
you.
I share
delusional, bro.
nothing with you. I want to share a home. I don't want to share family. I don't want to share friends and contacts and people that we deal with every day. You're
How can
done.
you say that?
Yeah.
Well, she doesn't want you anymore. Hey,
This is the guy? What's the? Hey.
Hey, stop! Put the chair down! Taser! Who is this guy?
Jacob.
that's That's your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Leave him there.
Living there. Oh my God.
I love him.
Oh my God. Obviously.
This
I love him,
Did you know he
not
was
you.
Look at him.
I
Well,
love him.
she loves him. She loves him anyway. It doesn't matter if he's there. She loves him. So you need to leave the house. You need to leave the house.
done.
You're done. So you need to leave.
So you gonna behave yourself now?
Are you good, Jacob?
What?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good? I'm sorry, but it was like,
I don't know who the you think you are, but you're not gonna storm him in the office.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that happened to you, but he was afraid that you're gonna hit the guy with the chair.
No worries. I thought he was gonna attack her.
Okay, so we're good. Do you need medical attention? You're good? Okay, so you are the, obviously you are the new man.
Yeah.
But you gotta warn us if you're gonna bring someone else over here, especially because of this reason right here.
I didn't know.
Okay,
Yeah,
but you just can't bring people. It was just you and the other guy. That's it.
Well,
the mediation. This third person.
okay,
thing
this happened
It
and
had to happen because he didn't understand, and I appreciate you guys. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
well, that's okay. So, well, I guess this is the new guy and you're gonna continue with it. I really hope that you can get rid of the other one. And I hope that he understands right now that you are out of his life. Okay, I wish you guys good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, well, give him a kiss. It's like after he got chased and everything.
Alright.
Okay,
out of
well,
Sit down right here real quick. I need to take this.
okay.
You're out of there.
That shit's like really in there though.